So the next word is Sharangin. That's a name of Krishna because Krishna's Dhanush is called Sharang, and because he holds it, he carries it, he bears it, so he's called Sharangin. Like one who has Dhan is called Dhani, you know. So similarly, one who has Sharang is Sharangi,
So
Sharangin.
Dhanvan and Dhani both are same, or it
Yeah,
has
the
some.
meanings are same. One who possesses that. Okay. In Hanpushan Aryaman Ityesham Uddhavasya Trivikramah Sushorev. The Uddhava of words ending in and of the words Han, Pushan, and Aryaman becomes Trivikrama only when Su or She follow. So, for example, we have the word Sharangin plus Su. Now, Su is following. So, by this rule, the Uddhava of words ending in becomes Trivikrama when Su follows. So, E becomes Trivikrama. Then Su is deleted, and we delete Na by Namantasya Nasya Harushna Vedante 190, right? And we get Sharangi. Then Sharanginau, Sharanginaha, Sharanginam. Then you can just keep on doing it and you get the tail. The next is Kansahan, the killer of Kansa. See, when you see this dash, right, in between this, like in between Kansahan, we have a dash. So it indicates that this is a compound word. Like, you know what is compound, right? Two
Yes,
or more
Prabhu.
words clubbed together. And compound word or a samas shabda is actually considered a single unit, a single word, technically. But they have many components, like more than one. So Kansahan, in Sanskrit or Devanagari script, they are written combinedly. But in English, like the BBT standard, they put dash so that it becomes easy, for the English speaking devotees. So Kansahan. So Kansahan plus Su. Uh, so by the previous rule, in Han Pushan Aryaman, it also says Han, right? So the Uddhava of Han also becomes Trivikrama when Su is following. So Trivikrama and then Su is deleted, Na is deleted, and we get Kansa Ha. Just like we have the word Madhuha. Have you heard that name? Madhuha. The
No, no.
Madhuha is name of Krishna and the killer of Daitya. Like Vibhavari Shesha, we have that. Uh, like Madhusudana, we have the word Madhusudana.
Madhusudan, yeah, Madhusudan, yes, yes,
Yeah, so
Madhusudan.
similarly, we also have the word Madhuha.
Madhuva,
So the
Madhuva.
killer of Madhu, meaning not the bee, but the
Yes,
demon
yes, yes.
called Madhu.
Madhu.
Madhu Kaita Bhari Gopal. Have you heard that?
Yes, yes, yes.
On YouTube, that, that black and white Chaitanya Mahaprabhu
Yes.
movie. One,
Yeah, yeah,
and
yeah.
very nicely that Bengali. So Madhu Kaita Bhari. So Madhu. Anyhow, so Kansahan, it becomes Kansaha. Then Kansahan plus Au, we just combine Kansahanam, Kansahanaha, Kansahanam, Kansahanam. Okay. Then the next is Hano Hasya Gho Ninnayoho. When Nit or Na follow, the Ha of Han changes to Gha. Nit means, we'll see this Nit ahead. Now we are seeing Na following. So Kansahan plus Shas, we delete the by Vama Satsanga Hinasya Anuramaharu Bhagavati. Shas is Bhagavad, so we delete the of An, right? By that sutra, Vama Satsanga. And now we get this. Now this sutra says when Na is following immediately after her Rama, then her becomes Gha of that Han. So her immediately followed by Na, and this is Han. So the her becomes Gha. So we get Kansa Gnaha. This is also used a lot. Like in chapter 1 Bhagavad Gita, I
Yes.
think the second last verse, Gnatopi Madhusudana.
Madhusudan.
Yadi Mama Pratikaram, that
Gnatopi.
verse.
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
Gnatopi, even if I'm killed, Gnatopi. So Gnaha, Kansa Gnaha. Okay, then similarly, Kansagna, then Kansahabhyam, you can do that. Purvasya Vishnu Padavattam and deletion of na. Kansahabhyam. And yeah, then you get the table. Then the next is Panchan, which is a numeral. Um, so Panchan is ending with na. शनान्त शनान्त कतेश शनान्त संख्यातः कतेश्च जस शसोर महाहरः स्वार्थे. We did that sutra. In after Hari Shabda, there was the word Kati. Kati. So there this sutra came. Shananta Sankhyatatah Kateshcha Jas Shasur Mahara Swarthi. So after numerals ending with Na Rama, we delete Jas and Shas. So we delete Jas and Shas, and then Na is deleted by Namatasya Nasahar Vishnu Badante, and we get Pancha. Like if I want to say 5 Pandavas are, let's say, walking. So I will say Pancha Pandavah Chalanti. पंच पांडवाः चलन्ति. So panch panch panchabhi panchabhyah. Then panchanam. Okay, so when it is 6.3, panchan plus am, then we have this rule 198. Rashanant sankhyaabhyo nudami swarthe. The agama nut is inserted after numerals ending in ra. Like earlier, we had that sutra to insert nom. Vamana gopi radhabhyo nudami. So we can't apply that rule here for this panchan. So this rule is there. The agama note is inserted after numerals ending in ra, sha, or na when am follows and their own meaning is predominant. So we have panchan and we have am. So we insert note. So we get panchan plus note plus am, right? So note tidagama parasambandhi. So na joins am. So we get panchan plus nam. Then 199. Nantodhavasya trivikramo nami. The Uddhava of a numeral ending in na becomes Trivikrama when Nam follows. So Panchan, the Uddhava is a, so it becomes Trivikrama when Nam is following. So we get Panchan plus Nam. And then Purvasya Vishnupadavattvam and Namantasya Nasaharo Vishnupadante, we delete the na and we get Panchanam. Panchanam. Then Panchasu. Panchasu is also simple. Okay. Then Ashtana A Vishnu Bhakti Shubha. Again, Ashtan means 8 and it ends with na. So the final na of Ashtan optionally becomes a when any Vishnu Bhakti follows. And when it becomes a, then Tasmat just Shasor Aush Swarthi. After that, Jas and Shas are replaced by Aush provided the meaning is predominant. So Ashtan plus Jas, once we change the na into a, right, by the previous rule. So then the Shavatarik Atmake Miliktva Trivikrama, Ashta plus Jas. And by 199, then Jas becomes Aush. And then Udvai Au, so we get Ashtau. And when we don't change the na into a, we simply apply the previous rule, the standard rule, where Rashananta Sankhyadah Kateshcha Shasur Mahara Swati. We simply delete the jas and we delete na, Namanta Sinasya, and we get Ashta. Like we did Pancha. So 2 forms. Similarly, Shas, Ashtau, Ashta, then Ashtabhi, Ashtabhi, Ashtabhya, Ashtabhya, like that, 2 forms. In 6.3, by both ways, we will arrive the same form, Ashtanam, by both the methods. Ashtasu, Ashtasu. So this is for Ashtan.
Yeah. We'll,
This much?
yeah, yes.
Okay, I don't know.
I have to see. I don't know how much is remaining for this chapter. Let me see. I'm just curious. Bro, also that Ramanga that I asked, bro, I got the answer. There's a typo.
Okay. Okay.
Let's see.
Yeah, so 10 more sutras are there in this section.
Yes, bro. 200 so tomorrow we'll start with 202.
Yes.
Okay, then there were two very small ones.
Yeah, 202.
And bro, one more thing. Tomorrow, are we going to do the sutras or we are going to do a test? Either way is okay, just or we will do both.
Test.
We will test the discussion, or you want we will be doing sutras tomorrow. Then I'll prepare.
Actually, see, the thing is, I'm
We are waiting for other exams to get over. That's the idea.
no, 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 no.
That is also okay. Okay,
I'm
okay.
actually working on a book and I have to submit that book today. So,
Okay, okay.
yeah, 99% I'll submit it. So that's why I was like taking this time. So we can discuss the question answer tomorrow. I don't mind. So you can
Okay.
also get time maybe to, revise, memorize.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Or maybe we can study 2, 3 sutras and rest we can discuss the question answers. We can also do that.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Either way is okay, bro. Yeah, I'll try to now tomorrow till 200 I'll complete the sutras.
Okay.
Okay, bro.
Direction.
Hare Krishna.